Everyone, today we are looking at the dollar index, and the dollar is on a free fall. As you can see, today the non-farm roll came out, and the jobs numbers was less than expected. So what are we looking at? We are looking at the chart, and the chart is telling us that the dollar has been on an expanding angle. So you look at this support here, which is 1, 2, and 3 here. Look at this support here, which is 1 and 2. So the dollar has been an expanding angle. So we expect the dollar to fall up to this zone here, up to this zone, or even further low, up to this zone, at this place. That's the 99, the 199 trading zone. So what are we looking at? We're looking at, because the dollar is a driver of risk on, risk asset, um risk asset. So once the dollar is in a free fall, what do you expect? Bitcoin, the stock market will go up, because it's a correlation. There's a correlation between the dollar and the stock market, and even Bitcoin, as we're seeing. So first of all, we'll look at the equity market, that's the US stock market. And if you look at this chart, we have been that's that's we have been respecting this trend line. That was in March 2020. We respect this line also. That's June 2022. And okay, we did not really touch the line, but we came close to the line, and we bounced back. So what are we seeing? We are seeing that the Sp500, that's the US stock exchange market, is gonna go up. And what are we seeing on this pattern here? We are seeing the head and shoulder pattern. This is the neckline at this 4385.6 0.86 zone. So what are we seeing? This is the what we're seeing here. This is the left shoulder, and this is the head, and this is the head, and this is the head. So expect the stock market to keep going higher and higher and higher. And once the stock market start going higher, it's a sign for Bitcoin. It's a sign for Bitcoin to go higher and higher. So what are we seeing? This is the 1 week, and this is a very strong resistance zone here. That's the 34 region, and I believe once Bitcoin breaks this region, we'll be headed for 40k zone, and if possible 48k zone. So this is my own analysis for Bitcoin and where we're headed, because the chart is showing us that we broke this 30,000 zone to 31,000, and we headed for 35. From 35k we retrace back to 34. So I believe there's trying to be a kind of consolidation there before we break out to 40k and even 48k. So I think before the year end, Bitcoin should, or before the month and or year end, Bitcoin should be around 48k or even more, because I see more upside for Bitcoin. That's why when the dollar starts free falling, you know that risks on assets are going to go high. They're going to pump. They're going to go exponentially high in their prices. Thank you very much for watching. I would like you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.